So here's how to disable the battery low sound. You go to your system settings. Where is it? Accessibility, notes, device, audio, and then you scroll down, click low battery sound, and uncheck it, or check it, depending on which one you want. You can also disable or enable the charging sounds, or the device startup sounds, so yeah. Another way you can do it is go in here, type in, you can also type in low battery sound, and then click. So, yeah, that's how that works. See you later.